like to introduce you to the new Motorola Solutions M500. It's our new in-car video system. So police officers already use our body-worn video solution, and now we have an in-car video solution, and they both share the same platform, which is Video Manager. The whole system of the in-car video is designed around simplicity and efficiency for the police officer. So time is the officer's biggest enemy, and if we can make it so that they have a very easy workflow, then it will save them time and relieve them of the need to go back into the office to manage the video. So for example, the video system will automatically record when the officer turns their blue lights on. So we turn the blue lights on, the system's gone into record now, and that marks the start of a new recording that will be uploaded when the police officer either returns to the police station and uploads over Wi-Fi, or if they're driving around, we can install a 4G router in the car, and that would also upload as they're driving around. So once the officers finish their incident, they turn the blue lights off. It still records because they might need to continue that recording once the emergency lights are turned off. So all the police officer has to do is to press stop, and then they need to decide at that point whether the video is evidential or not evidential. And the reason they need to decide that is if it's non-evidential, we upload it in a lower video quality that has a smaller file size, because the likelihood is nobody will ever see that video. If they decide to upload it using as an evidential video, then we use a higher quality of video, and it also takes priority on the upload. So we'll change it to an evidential video. We also give the officer the opportunity to title the recording at this stage. So we can give it a title, we'll call it test, and they can add in CAD references, RMS references at this stage, and they press done. Now, as far as the officer is concerned, that is it. They have no further work to do. The M500 will upload that video when it can, when it has a data connection, and the officer is not involved in that process. So with the M500 system, we have the DVR, which is where the video is recorded. We have the control panel, which the officer uses to tag footage and to review footage. And we have two cameras. So we have the front camera that attaches to the windscreen, and we have the cabin camera that records what goes on inside the vehicle and can also operate in complete darkness. So once the video is uploaded to Video Manager, the officer can then play the video back, and as you can see here, the video from their body-worn camera is also landed in the same place, and we can add their body-worn footage to the... So once the video is uploaded, it uploads to the same platform as the body-worn video. So the officer can actually add their body-worn video to the in-car video. And using Video Manager, they can play them both back at the same time. So we have the in-car cameras here, and we have the body-worn video there. And because GPS location is being captured on both body-worn and in-car, we have real-time mapping of the recording, and obviously we can add metadata as well. And the good thing is, because we've chosen whether the video was evidential and titled it in the car, that information automatically copies over to Video Manager. So the officer does not need to come back in and manage their footage on Video Manager. If they want to, after the event, they can come in, they can log into Video Manager, and they can add things like tags, they can decide the retention policy on that video, and they can add other videos into this incident. So if you have an incident with more than one vehicle, you can add all that footage into the same incident. And we can select individual cameras. So if I want to just view the front camera, I can just view the front camera, and you can zoom into the map, and the map moves in real time with the footage, so the officer, even a year, 2 years down the line, can see the route they took. And it's all about efficiency, it's all about saving the officer time while recording high quality evidential video.